You heard a big bang. We didn't think much of it, and then all of a sudden a big crash.
Burst of flames, debris.
When I looked up, immediately over my head, I see a jet airplane, and you could only see one contrail. It was obvious that he had lost an engine.
The pilot forced to make an emergency landing, sending a mayday just minutes after takeoff.
328 heavy, mayday aircraft just experienced an engine failure, needed to turn immediately.
Onlookers watched in horror as plumes of smoke trailed the Boeing 777. Huge pieces of metal seemed falling from the sky. Another house struck by falling debris crashing through the ceiling of this Colorado home, while pieces of the engine scattered throughout the streets in this soccer field.
Opened the front door, and that was laying right outside my front door. So the engine cowl landed straight up and down right in the bed of my truck. And then it just fell over off of that and landed right into my trees.
I looked out the window, the engine was shaking really bad, and all of a sudden there was just a big boom, and the ring around the engine flew off.
Passengers on board rocked by what seemed to be an explosion from the right side of the aircraft.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened.
Remarkably, we have had no injuries reported yet.
They said the plane landed safely, so I'm pretty thankful for that. Weirdest thing that's happened around here for a while.